Hi everyone, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. So this is my collab with the Crafty Collab with TT.Scraps, CreativeChaos1739, that's Ashley, and then TracyPlans, and TT.Scraps is Tammy. They're just doing a monthly makeup project, you know, related to the month, and January is wintry, so I had to go through all my Christmas stuff and drag out what I thought was wintry. That's what I came up with. My very first pocket letter. Yes, my very first. I got my inspiration from Kim, who sent me one. And Tammy at My World in OKC, who sent me one. And then actually Tammy at TT.Scraps sent me one last year. That's all the pocket letters I have. So I kind of looked at theirs and said, what did they do? How much, you know, do they decorate it? And this is what I came up with. There's, Tammy's thing. I just took it off of there and put it in the bag. It was nagging, so I didn't want to break it. So this is what I came up with. It's a wintry theme. This is the front, and then I'll show you the back. So starting with this, these are actually Project Life cards. I just put them side by side on each other because you'll see, I'll show you when I pull it out. I think this one has it. Oh, I did a good job putting those together. See, it has that suggested placement on the back of these, so I didn't want that showing, so I just butted up another card with it and slid it in the pocket. This one here, I just put a sticker on it. The hardest thing for me was finding out where to insert the cards. So that one just has a sticker. It is single-sided. And then some little glittery snowflakes that you can use as embellishments. I know who I'm sending this to. I just will save it as a surprise until she gets it. But she may have a hint on who she is, because I said I want to send a pocket letter. I want to do a pocket letter exchange. This one I just used, I can show you the paper. I just gotta grab it. I use this paper here. I picked this up, I think, after Christmas at Michael's. And there is some Christmassy things in here. Like that, I think. Well, you know, this may be someone's most wonderful time of the year. And that's kind of like a Christmas tree. I mean, you could use it, I think. And then these have the smaller Christmas trees. So I kind of picked out the things I thought was okay. Neutral, wintry. I just cut this card down to size and added a snowflake. And over here, I used all the same paper and then just added a couple stickers. What I tried to do there is folded, because I was trying to fold it to see how I'm going to mail it. And I just don't think that's going to work. That's loose, so it's like that. Now, it doesn't look too hot now, does it, because it's bent? I may have to think about that. Because the size, see, these are the normal size. And then these are actually the Project Life Design G that I got from my sister for Christmas. So I wanted to try them out. I have a couple other smaller sizes. And then I'll flip that over. So in this pocket, I made my first, yes, so this is a first of many. My first collab with, you know, with the Crafty Collab, and my first shaker. I had to cut it 3 times to get it to look square. I had to keep running it over. But finally it came out so nice. I like it. I like it a lot. And then that's just another Project Life card. A little ruler I put in the back. And then this one, this was gifted to me by Tammy, My World in OKC. I just used 2 pieces of paper, and it's just blank on the back. And then these airheads, well, let me flip it over now. I think that was in there as a little, you know, whatever little gift or however you want to say it. So this is tape, snowflake tape. Like I said, the airheads. One of those stickers. And what I like about these airheads, look how flat that lays. Very flat. I have my box of airheads here. That's how they come. They're very flat. I think they're going to be okay for mailing out. Just like on the Valentine's Day card. Then the cards come and you know, they're perforated. Just a wooden embellishment. A coffee cup that has snowflakes on it. And I just made a bunch of tags. I have a tag punch. I made an assortment of tags. Nice long ones she can cut off if she doesn't want to, or she'll write on the back or whatever. Just out of the paper that all matched. And then some, these are erasers. Actually, Valentine's Day erasers. I have them right here, I think. From the Dollar Tree. So that is my first pocket letter, and my first shaky pocket, and my first collab. So I'm excited. And I'll show you real quick. My border strip was just washi tape with snowflakes. And then I just made a charm that actually clips off. Has a snowflake and some baubles. Kind of reminds me of snow falling or snowballs, or everyone look at it. And then you can take it off or clip it. So that's what I got. Now it's all torn apart. I have to put it back together. That's okay though, because I think I'm going to work on this card here. I just don't like how that bent. Maybe I can think of some way to bend it down and then layer it again on another piece of paper. That would probably work. Yeah, that would probably work. All right. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.